Imagine you're a content creator aiming to go global, growing your audience and income several times over. And if you've ever wondered how to translate any video into another language while keeping your original voice, this video will be super helpful. Today I'll show you how to do it in just a few clicks. No language skills, no voice actors, and no dubbing budget needed. Yep, it's free.
Yeah, boy.
Sure, YouTube has a multi-language audio feature, but it's only available to selected creators. Plus, you still need to speak the language or pay for a voiceover. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to bypass all of that easily. By the way, that's exactly how big creators like Mr. Beast grow their audience worldwide. He runs multiple channels in different languages. If you don't have access to YouTube's multi-audio feature yet, you can simply create regional channels and upload translated versions there. But how do you translate a video if you don't speak other languages? That's where AI steps in. Let me introduce you to a powerful platform, Caption AI. It combines all the tools you need: clapperboard video creation and editing, trimming, subtitles, effects, auto voiceover, globe showing Europe-Africa translation and dubbing. With AI translation, you can voice over your video in more than 50 of the world's most spoken languages. And today we'll use this exact feature. Watch till the end. I'll walk you through everything. Here's the main Caption AI dashboard. I'll leave the link in the description. First, let's create an account. Just click here and sign up. Once you're in, you'll see the full toolkit inside your dashboard. Now, grab any random video you want to translate. For better results, I recommend removing background music and keeping only the voice. You can do it with any free online tool. I forgot to do it while recording this, so I'll show you the process with background music on. So, let's download the video to our computer and upload it into Caption AI. Next, choose the original language. By default, it's set to English, but as I said, the platform supports over 100 languages. We'll stick with English. Now scroll down and choose the language you want to translate to. In our case, it's Spanish. Below that, you'll see two options: translated subtitles only or full voice dubbing with subtitles. I'm going with the second one and clicking AI Dub to Espanol. Now we wait for the video to upload and the translation to finish. Done. The translation is complete. Let's open it and take a listen.
En el video de hoy, mostraré cómo usar IA para traducir videos de YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo y otros servicios al ruso, inglés, chino, francés, italiano, español y alemán.
We can also see the Spanish subtitles, and their style can be customized in this panel. To export the video, you'll need any screen and audio recording extension. I'm using this one. I click the extension, select the window I want to record, and hit start. Then I play the translated video and wait until it finishes.
En el video de hoy, mostraré cómo usar IA para...
Once it's done, I stop recording and save the file. Now, let's move to editing. Open any video editing software. I personally use CapCut. Import both the original video and the translated one. Place them on the timeline. Sync the translated audio with the original visuals. Then, extract the audio from the translated version and delete its video layer. Let's preview the result.
En el video de hoy, mostraré cómo usar IA para traducir videos de YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo.
We can see that the timing is slightly off. To fix the desync, just slice the audio track and adjust it to match the visuals. Once it all lines up, replay and check the final cut.
En el video de hoy, mostraré cómo usar IA para traducir videos de YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo y otros servicios al ruso, inglés, chino, francés, italiano, español y alemán.
Perfect. Now export the project, and it's ready to use wherever you want. So now you know how to translate videos into other languages in just a few easy steps. Want to reach a global audience without speaking multiple languages? Try Caption AI and make it happen. Links in the description. All right, friends, that's it for today. If you've already tried translating videos with AI, Share your experience in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more awesome tutorials coming up. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.